Oh, Sakafet. This year I challenged myself to watch every single free plugin tutorial I could find on YouTube. Hundreds of videos, hours of content, just to help you find the best free plugin to create Firebeat this summer. In this video, I'm breaking down my top pick and showing you exactly how to use them in your workflow. Let's have some fun. I didn't just watch them randomly. I focused on producer actually use them in real beat. How is the plugin how to use and how they sound in real track. I watch videos from J Cactus, Sanjay, Dixon Beat, Talenti, and more. So let's jump to the first plugin, which is Vital. This plugin is straight up crazy for lead, pads, plug, even log drum if you tweak it right. Another thing I love about this plugin, there are a ton of free preset bank out there. If you go to YouTube and type Vital free preset bank, you will find a ton of preset bank, guys. I recently downloaded some, which is gas station for lead and gas station from Nate Mills. There are a ton of other free preset bin that you can find out there. Also, you can create crazy melody, crazy corporation with it. So let me show you one of the corporation that I created with this one. This preset is from the factory preset and it sounds very nice, guys. And if we go and see some other preset this has, let's say that you want to have some bell. Guys, you will find that could be a nice preset for Afrobeat, for compa, Afro compa, and this plugin is very good. I can compare it with Serum. I see that a lot of other producer does too. Remind me of Serum, because with Serum you will find a bunch of crazy 5 preset band. I think this is the same thing for Vital too. If you are looking for a free plugin that you can find a bunch of crazy preset for, this is your best choice. The next one is the Valhalla Supermassive. If your melody sound dry, this one is a game changer. Valhalla Supermassive give you those large spacey texture for vocal, key, guitar, anything. Let me show it in action. Let's say that we have this guitar melody right there. Or let me just take one from the Afrobeats Bundle Volume 2. And then you go to the Supermassive. You can use it for delay or you can use it for reverb. For example, as a delay, sound like this. And you can change this setting to be by millisecond, note, dotted, and triplet. Let's go to note. Let's say that we want a quarter note. You can cut the low and also cut some of the high. And if you want to use it as a reverb, there are a ton of good preset. Let's say that we want a large room. Let's go to the 80s space verb and put it at 50%. Let's see let's put this as note. Let's put it like not a long reverb. Without it and with it. This make the melody sound smoother and give you this atmospheric vibe. You can use it on vocal, on everything, guys. And this one is a game changer. I love this plugin. You have some crazy preset that you can start from, and also you can just tweak the setting to find the sound that you are looking for. So now let's jump to the next one. Originally, I was gonna include the complete start in this list. It's a great bundle and give you a bit of everything, but I found this, the orchestral element by Soundscore, and yo, I had to switch this in. Here is why. This thing give you instant cinematic vibe. I'm talking full string brass choir, all from just playing a simple chord. It's one inside the free contact player just like Lab, so no extra purchase needed. And creatively, it push you to try new idea like orchestral into dramatic bridges or emotional outro for your beat. So let's see it in action. So for this tutorial, I use it as a simple string. Let me show you. I wanted to add something underneath of everything that I have, but if I wanted to create a dramatic intro or a crazy bridge, I could just go here and then select the preset I wanted. Let's close this. Let's go to Majestic and then Men of War, sorry. Sound crazy. Let's try another one. Or this one. I think this one is going to help you get creative or adding stuff that you naturally don't add to your beat, and it is fire. When I found it, I said, okay, this one, a lot of producers don't know about it yet, but the complete start, I know a lot of you know about it already. So I say, okay, I have to put this in there. Let's say that you're working on an album and then you're creating the intro for the album or the outro, and then you want something unique, something that could keep the listener attention. This one is a good plugin to try to find something in. So it is very dope. You know, I had to slide something for the guitar lovers because Afrobeat and compa need that bounce. Import guitar M lead and Spitfire Lab both come through with clean realistic guitar tones, perfect for MIDI work. And if you don't have a real guitar, you can just use one of those plugins. So let's go to import guitar lead. I create this simple melody. That sounds so nice, guys, and I love this plugin. And the way you play give you different tonality, and also you can go down there. You can select sound crazy. I love this. So if we say, see, this gives you realistic guitar vibe, and it is free. You can be creative with it and create crazy fire guitar melody. Also, I'm going to like every plugin that I mentioned in this video in the description box. Make sure you check them out. Also, let me know in the comment section what is your favorite free plugin. Now let's jump to the next plugin. Normally when you're creating beat, you will need some EQ. There is one crazy EQ that I love, free EQ that I love, which is the TDL Nova. The TDL Nova is a great EQ. You can use it on vocal, on instrument, and even on your master bus. Let's say that I use it on this just to remove some of the low and some of the high. I just create a band paste with it. It is an easy to use plugin. Let's go to the TDL Nova. If you want a high pass, you do your high pass, and if you want a low pass, you just create your low pass and then you drag it. See, easy like that. And this gives you A, B, just you can compare. And also it is a dynamic EQ too. If you have some frequencies that you want to bring down a little bit, you can just use the compressor that is inside of the EQ. I love the EQ that come with FL Studio, but this one you have the dynamic option in it. So there you go, the best free plugin in 2025 to make fire beat. If you learned something today, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite plugin from this list. Also, should I drop a free pack made only with this plugin? Let me know in the comment section, and then I will make this happen. Now let's enjoy this instrumental that I created using only free plugin, and trust me, you will not even know this was made with free plugin because it is fire. So enjoy.